Number 39. In the diagram below of triangle ABC, side BC is extended to point D. The measurement of angle A is equal to x, the measurement of angle B is equal to 2x plus 15, and the measurement of angle ACD is equal to 5x plus 5. And what is the measurement of angle B? In this case, interior angles is equal to the sum of the interior angles. So we can have that as this one. So that would be 5x plus 5, where the angle D, angle ACD, is equal to the angle of BAC plus the angle of ABC, x plus 2x plus 5, and that would be x is equal to 5. But the question is, what is angle B? And angle B is equal to 2x plus 15. Substitute 5, therefore angle is 25. Hence, our answer here is letter C, 25. Number 40. In the diagram below, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ. Which statement must true? In this case, not all figures is in accordance to what is stated in this. Since it was stated that A, B, and C, therefore X, Y, and Z are congruent. Now, we need to know which statement must be true. Angle C is congruent to angle Y. Angle C is congruent to angle Y is false. Angle A is congruent to angle X, which is true. How about this? Line segment AC must be congruent to YZ. No, it should be XC. CB is congruent to XZ. CB, it must be ZY. Therefore, answer is letter B. Number 41. When writing a geometric proof, which angle relationship could be used alone to justify that the two angles are congruent? Number 41, we have all the choices here. Supplementary angles, adjacent angles, and linear pair of angles is the sum of 180 degrees, while vertical angle states that all vertical angles are congruent. Hence, our answer is letter D. Number 42. In the diagram below of triangle ABCD, side DB is extended to the point A. Which statement must be true? Let's try letter A. Letter A states that the measurement of angle C is greater than the measurement of angle D, which means it's false because all this is an obtuse angle, an obtuse scalene triangle, and a scalene triangle is composed of acute angles less than 60 degrees. Therefore, it's not true that this angle should be greater than this angle, not all the time. Letter B. The measurement of angle ABC is less than the measurement of angle D, which makes it false because this angle here composed of less than 160 degrees. Therefore, angles less than 160 degrees minus its adjacent angles, which is 180. Hence, it must be greater than these angles, either of the two. Letter C. Measurement of angle ABC should be greater than angle C, which is true because all exterior angles are greater than interior angles. Letter D. Measurement of angle ABC is greater than the measurement of angle C plus angle D. Not all the time, because if this angle here is 60 and this angle here is 120, this angle here is 60 and 60, and its angle here is 120. So it may be both equal to the exterior angles. So our answer is letter C. In the diagram below, AB is perpendicular to plane AEFG. So here is perpendicular. Which plane must be perpendicular to plane AFG? Which plane? Since ABCE is a plane that is perpendicular directly to this line, then the plane ABCE is the plane perpendicular to AEFG, letter A. 44. Plane A is parallel to plane B. Plane C intersects plane A in line M and intersects plane B in line N, lines M and R. If plane A is parallel to plane B and plane C intersects plane A in line M and intersects plane B in line N, therefore lines M and N are parallel because A and B are parallel. A and B are parallel, therefore lines M and N are also parallel. Number 45. In parallelogram ABCD shown below, diagonals AC and BD intersect at A. Which statement must be true? This is a parallelogram and this is parallel, 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 parallel. If AC and BD intersect at E, which statement must be true? We have AC is congruent to DB. No, not all the time. B. Angle ABD is congruent to CBD. No. Opposite angles of a parallelograms are congruent, but that it does not state that diagonals bisect angles. There's C. Triangle AED is congruent to CEB. We all know that if this diagonal, vertical angles are also congruent. Hence, this is true. How about DCE congruent to BCE? No, not all the time because diagonals does not bisect an angle in a parallelogram. So our answer is letter C. Number 46. The graph below shows GT and its image. This is the original GT and GT prime and GT prime after a transformation. Which transformation would map GT into J prime and T prime? This is T here and the T is already here. Therefore, there should be a rotation around its origin because at the origin here is J and it does not replace its position. Only T was being rotated. So, there's C is the answer. 47. In triangle ABC and DEF, DBC and DEF, AC is to DF and AC is to FE. Which additional information would prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF? AC, number 3, AC is equal to DF. No, because it's already stated. This is proportional. Letter B. CB is to FE. No, not. Letter C. Angle ACB is to DFE. Why? Because it is true because it was stated in the given that AC is to DF and AC is to FE. Therefore, angles here and the angle here is congruent also. Number 48. In triangle RST, measurement of angle R is equal to 58 and measurement of angle S is equal to 73. Which inequality is true? For example, we have this figure, triangle RST, and the angle of R is 58, the angle of S is 73. And if we're going to add this one, deduct it to 180 because the sum of the interior angles of its triangle is equal to 180. That's 49 degrees. Now, which statement is true? That if this is 49, this corresponding angle, this corresponding sides are also, this is right. So that's if letter A, RT is less than DS. RT is less than TS. RT is 73 is less than 58, which is false because it should be greater than. There B. RS 49 is less than RT 73. RS is less than 49 is less than RT. And RT is less than TS, which is wrong. Not true. Letter C. RT, which is 73, is less than RS, which is 49, which is false. Letter D. RS, which is 49, is less than TS, which is 58, and is less than RT, which is 73. And letter D is true. So that's our answer. Number 49. In the diagram of triangle KLM below, measurement of angle L is equal to 70 and angle M is equal to 50 and line segment MK is extended through N. What is the measure of angle LKN? This is the figure, states that L is 70, 50 is angle M. So we all know that this angle here in interior angles of triangle is equal to 180. So that's 70 plus 50, that's 120, minus 180, that's 60 degrees. And we all know that the interior angle is 180 degrees. So 60 minus 180, that's 120 degrees. Therefore, the angle here is the sum of this. Now let's have therefore our angle LKN is 120 degrees, letter B.